how to add a new profile on Binge. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your Binge application, log into your account, then from there open your desired profile. You will be able to see this interface, right? So then from here, if you swipe up from your phone, just simply swipe up from your home page, you will actually be able to see your Binge settings right here. So then from here, what are we going to do is simply tap on the option manage and change profile. Then after doing that, if you already have existing profiles, it will all be shown here. Or if you do not have any of the profile, you'll be able to see a plus icon. All you need to do is tap on that plus icon, and then you can now start writing down the nickname for that profile. Then you'll need to like if you want to add in the parental control, you can do all of these settings, and just like this, you can get along with the process of how you'll be able to create yourself a new profile on Binge. And that is exactly how you'll be able to add a new profile on Binge. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.